As the scale of the power grid continues to expand, the limitations of traditional manual inspections have become increasingly prominent. The CYG SUNRI PRS 7950 IPS Remote Intelligent Inspection System establishes a comprehensive three-dimensional and intelligent inspection mechanism for substation operations. It remarkably improves the operational and maintenance efficiency of remote substations, mitigates safety risks, and guarantees the inspection quality. This system integrates high-definition video surveillance, intelligent robots, drone inspection, and mobile operation technologies, constructing a full coverage and three-dimensional intelligent inspection network. It enables real-time monitoring, intelligent identification, and precise interconnection, substantially enhancing the in-depth level and efficiency of operation and inspection management. Transitioning from manual on-site inspections to intelligent remote inspections merely requires a single-button operation. The system can automatically inspect hundreds of points, achieving 100% coverage of critical equipment and environmental parameters and reducing the time required for a single routine inspection by 40%. Functioning as the far-sighted eyes and sharp ears of the station yard, the PRS 7950 IPS system facilitates highly efficient inspection of substations by virtue of its comprehensive intelligent and automated capabilities. The system incorporates a range of technologies such as streaming media monitoring, online temperature measurement, thermal imaging, and acoustic pattern analysis, thereby comprehensively grasping the status of equipment. Through the integration of deep learning algorithms into image processing, it can instantaneously detect abnormal factors related to personnel, machinery, environment, and management. Leveraging the intelligent and interconnected emergency response technology, it effectively contributes to the precise elimination of potential risks and addresses the relevant concerns. The application process adopts the visual frame extraction detection technology to fulfill the dual confirmation requirement for one-button sequential control. This enables the achievement of long-distance, all-weather, comprehensive, multidimensional, and highly reliable intelligent inspections of the station yard. The CYG SUNRI PRS 7950 IPS Remote Intelligent Inspection System has been successfully applied in numerous smart substation projects and has won multiple accolades. With intelligent and automated integration at its core, the system provides efficient, accurate, and secure solutions for power grid operation and maintenance, continuously promoting innovation and development in the electric power industry.